Hello, I'm just going to show you today how you can make changes to a Google feedback slide if you are a student. First things first, go to Google Classroom in your Apps tab. And scroll down to find the class where you think the correct assignment has been set. On the classwork page, you can either scroll down on the main page to find the assignment that was set, or you could go into classwork and find the assignment that way as well. But I'm going to go on the feed. Okay, so you can select your slide. This slide should be set up with all the names of the students in your class. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to find the student or the name that is your name. Say, for example, I was Nicola. I would go onto Nicola's slide and I will go on to Insert Image, Upload from Computer. You might even find that your images are on your Google Photos, so if you want to do it that way, you can. In this case, I'm going to go here and I'm going to find a picture. Assume this is a picture of my work. I'm going to open that image and put it in the right area on that page. This will save automatically, so you don't need to worry about clicking save or save as here. You can just click off the slide and those changes should have been made automatically. So if I click back onto that slide, you should see on Nicola's slide when it appears, there is the picture of the sewing machine that has saved automatically. And it's as easy as that.